Many have long asked about what happened to the drone that Ranty raised money to buy over 1 year ago. After a long time, he showed an instruction manual. Then it became quiet again. Contributors who asked had their comments deleted and some were blocked from Ranty's channel. On April 22 this year, Ranty released this video.
Look at this guy, John Watson, Ranty FE, just showed a drone. Manual! LOL, no drone. Really? Is that true, John Watson? He continues, newsflash, FE, Flat Earth, gave Ranty FE thousands for a drone manual. Really? Firstly, it wasn't thousands, I think it was about 1,500, 1,600, something like that. Right guys, so you've just seen me open the box up right now. Literally just seen me do that.
He thus claims that he had a drone for almost a year without opening the outer packaging to see if there was a box with a drone in it. He has bought a drone for about $1,500 and has not investigated whether he got a drone, or if it is complete and functional.
So you see, this is the point about everything that's wrong with a lot of people, including flat earthers, because I believe John Watson is a flat earther. Now, the problem here is that they don't believe it even when they see it. And even when they see it, it's not even enough proof for them. And then they make lies up about it, and then they continue along the same narrative, the same path, until you literally have to rub it in their face. Now, I can guarantee that he would probably say that this, in its packaging, bearing in mind, in its packaging, right, he's going to say that this is still a manual.
No, nobody thinks that's a manual. But what you are showing here is that the manual you previously showed may not have been yours. DJI sends it in the box you have not yet opened.
However, Rude Earther, as I said, he's going to help me out a bit. He's going to assist me in the setup of it, in making sure that it can fly properly, etc., putting the new software in it, etc., that it will need. And yeah, I mean, even then...
No, you do not need help installing software in the drone. When you start it and connect your phone, the drone checks which versions of the software you have. Then it suggests that you update. Or should you always have Rude Earther with you when you fly the drone?
And yeah, I mean, even then, it's like, what's the point? Once that's all done, what's the point? You know, am I able to go and do this test right here with these lasers in that I was going to use this for? Is that going to happen anytime soon? We're all in lockdown. We need 3 or 4 people, maybe 5 or 6 people to do this experiment. So we need to be out of lockdown, which means that this drone, when I open it, is out of the box. It's out of the box, and it's not being used for the purpose that it was meant to be.
When you raised money, you did not talk about using it only for an experiment. I previously mentioned the idiotic but your plans for a laser experiment using drones. And if the drone were to be used for only one experiment, why did you not ask someone who has a drone for help, such as Rude Earther? If this story is true, then you have wasted $1,500 collected by your followers. Over 2 months after this unpacking video, Ranty released this video yesterday. It's short, so I'll show it in its entirety. It's the headline. Wolfie & Co., thanks for the concern over the drone, but it is just fine. Ranty, this video created more questions than answers. Mavic Pro 2 has a far better camera than your P1000. So why is the video from the drone so much worse? It is very blurry. Maybe this is the explanation? When filming or taking photos, low-resolution versions are saved on the phone used when flying. The person who flew the drone then sent the low-resolution video. Why not use the high-definition video saved on the drone's memory card? Did not the person who edited the video have access to the drone afterwards? Sound, where did the sound come from? This model of drone has no ability to record sound. Is it the case that the person who edited the video does not know this? If it was you, Ranty, who flew the drone, you did not start well as a drone pilot. You broke the law. Here I quote parts of it: the laws that apply to flying drones in the UK. Ensure your drone is always in sight. Use your common sense and fly your aircraft safely. You do not look at the drone and do not have the remote control in your hand. Have you passed a theory test to get a flyer ID? Have you registered the drone? Why, I ask? We who use drones in our work are affected by amateurs who do not follow laws and regulations. Drones get a bad reputation when people do not behave. Ranty, this video created more questions than it answered. If you have the drone and need tips, get in touch. I would appreciate if you manage to take better videos and photos. It is easier to discuss your analyses of them then.